This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to create and edit an author profile in Squarespace. Whether you're managing a thriving blog or an online store, having well-organized author profiles can help present a professional image and attribute content accurately. Let's dive right in and make sure your authors or contributors are properly set up. First things first, you'll want to log in to your Squarespace account and open your website dashboard. This is where all the magic happens, as it's your hub for managing everything on your site. Once you're on your dashboard, look to the left-hand menu. This is your navigation path to various settings and configurations. From here, navigate to settings, then head over to permissions and ownership. This section is crucial as it determines who can access and contribute to your site, ensuring you maintain control over your content and security. Now, when it comes to adding an author profile, you have two options to choose from depending on your needs. If you're looking to invite a real user who will actively contribute to your site, you'll want to click on Invite Contributor. Doing this allows you to enter the contributor's name and email address. Squarespace lets you assign different permission tiers, such as Store Manager, Blogger, or Editor, which dictate the level of access and control the contributor will have. After you send the invite, the contributor will receive an email. Once they accept the invitation and fill out their account bio, their profile will automatically appear in your master author database. This is a seamless way to ensure that your contributors are properly recognized and attributed in the content they produce. On the other hand, if you need to create profiles for display-only purposes, such as pen names, guest speakers, or historical figures, without granting them back-end access, you'll follow a slightly different path. Scroll down to the Basic Authors section and click on Add Basic Author. Here, you simply type in the name you want to display. After entering the name, click Save. This is a straightforward way to include additional profiles on your site without involving them in the back-end operations. And there you have it. You've successfully created and edited author profiles in Squarespace. By following these steps, you can effectively manage who gets credit for content on your site while also maintaining control and security over your website. Whether you're dealing with real contributors or just need display-only profiles, Squarespace offers flexible options to meet your needs. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in setting up your author profiles. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to check out Squarespace's support resources or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Happy creating!